All right, here we go. It's Sunday. I got an idea for a super fast, super easy project for the 34, and it's going to involve some tape, some speaker box, some audio speaker box carpet, and it's going to involve a lot of duct tape or painter's tape. So let me get on this project. Let me show you guys exactly what I have going on for it today. The 34 does not have a carpeted rear trunk area thing. I don't know. I'll show you some pictures of it, or in fact, you know what? Let me just show you guys what it looks like right now. Now, before I show you guys the trunk, the interior of the trunk, the floorboard underneath the spare tire was actually pretty nice. There was barely nothing. It was clean. As a preventative measure, I took some bed liner, sprayed it all around the inside and outside, just to kind of seal it, just as a little precautionary thing. But it did not come with the carpet, like I said, so let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so it did come with the bottom carpet, but it did not come with that plastic support system. So this is what it looks like. All right, it does not have the plastic bottom support piece that it has because they relocated the battery to the rear. They took out the whole plastic thing with carpet and all that nice stuff. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna fix this. I don't need to, I just want to, and that's just me. I don't want to sell the car looking like a piece of crap, but some people do. I don't know. I don't. Let me tell you my bright idea. For the bottom portion, I have a piece of 3/8 plywood. I'm going to take that plywood, trace out the pattern of the carpet, put this in, and that should take care of that. The next thing I'm going to do, the next problem to address that shelf area where the battery is, I have a bright idea. I don't know if it's going to work. I have no clue, but this is what I'm going to try to do. I went to the local stereo shop and I got the carpet. It's just rolled up. This is the carpet they use for making stereo boxes, I guess. I don't know. The next bright idea is to take some cardboard. I was at work. I saw this big box, and this cardboard was extra thick. It wasn't that thin stuff. It was super, super thick. Cardboard was a giant box, 5 feet tall by 5 feet wide. So I cut out a section. Of this thing. It's super thick. But anyway, I cut out a section. I'm gonna draw patterns, trace everything out on this piece of cardboard, cut it out with a utility knife, then use 3M spray adhesive, which I got from the local store, the hardware store. Glue the carpet in, and that should work. I don't know. I have no idea. If it fails, big deal. It's only time that I lost. So let me cut out the floorboard, trace the pattern, and we'll see what that looks like. So here's the piece of cardboard, and I'm just gonna take this, put the wood on the ground, throw this piece of carpeting from the trunk, right? Something like that. I'm not gonna bore you guys. I'm gonna grab my jigsaw, my DeWalt jigsaw, cut this thing out, and we'll see what happens. So give me a couple minutes, I'll be right back. Okay, here it is. So let me throw it on the, I'll show you what I did. Basically, just put this down like this, cut it out with a jigsaw. I sanded the edges, and this is what I came up with. So Time to throw this in the trunk, see if it fits. Damn, I think it's gonna work. It is hot. I think it's actually gonna work. It looks pretty good. So, throw the carpet on, see if it fits. So now for the hard part. I'm gonna grab some pieces of cardboard, cut, tape, put everything together. I may do a time lapse, I don't know, we'll see. So let me grab everything and I'll be right back again. Well, here we go. This is the final, not final, but this is the pattern that I'm going to use. What I'm going to do is transfer this onto that big piece of cardboard, the big thick cardboard that I have. I'm going to transfer this pattern onto that. Then I'm going to get the carpet material and cover that with the carpet material. So let me transfer this onto the big, hard, thick piece of cardboard. I'm just gonna lay it flat, and then trace it out. Then I'm gonna tape everything back all over again and start laying the carpet on. So let me go and do that. There's no sense in boring you guys how to tape together some cardboard, so I'll do that real quick and I'll come right back. Okay, so this is the final product. What I did was I cut everything out onto this big, thick piece of cardboard. And you can never tell that this thing has duct tape all over it. Basically, all I did was left the cardboard there, used a spray adhesive, spray a little at a time, let it tack up for about 10 minutes, put it on. That's about it. It's not perfect. There are some waves here and there. I don't know if the camera can see it, but it's not perfect. But because it's all black, you can't really see. I think it came out pretty good. Let me go and test fit it and we'll see what happens. God, it's harder than I thought. Oh no, come on. Oh, there we go. All right, I think it's good. It looks freaking good. It looks factory, it looks OEM. You can't tell that it's just cardboard and electrical tape. I mean painter's tape. There we go. All right, this thing came out perfect. Besides you guys, there's no one else that would know what this is and how good this thing looks. There's not enough light. I don't think the camera can really pick it up, but this looks like factory. It looks OEM. It looks damn nice. Here, I don't think the camera can see, but let's take a look. Now, besides that ugly battery, this whole project took me maybe an hour, and it came out really, really nice. Damn, what a good way to spend a weekend. Anyway, that is it for this project. That was super fast, super easy. Maybe you can ask a little more for the car now, who knows? I don't know, but at least I get to drive it a little while longer. I did get an extra yard, so total I got 2 yards of the speaker box material. So I have extra. I can either do another one, or if this one got messed up, I could have built another one. But yeah, this is it. So like I said again, super easy, super fast. You guys should try it out. I got lucky that this project came out so good, sort of. Anyway, I am out of here. I need to go into the water and surf for a little bit. It's Sunday. I have the day off. I need to take advantage of it while I can. And I need to order the parts for the 4Runner for tonight. I need a new clutch, I need a new flywheel, and some other little things. I'll get on that for the next project. And I still need to get started on the yellow Altia 34 that I have at another storage place. Anyway, too many projects, not enough time. Thank you, everybody. As usual, I will see you guys again on my next project.